Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload and add a custom logo in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to add your or update your website logo on, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside the Hostinger website builder, and this is the current logo. And to update it, simply, or before this, let's view my website live. As you see, this is my current logo. It uses a photo. To upload it, simply click on the current logo like this. This header settings window pops up. Here, you can use a text logo from here. For example, you can go with my name. As you see, it displays here automatically, or go with an image logo. I think the majority of this website the majority of this video viewers will prefer to use an image logo. So click on replace image. This window will pops up. You click on this upload files button, and then upload your website logo from your computer. If you don't have a logo design yet, you can use a free tool from Hostinger Builder, which you can arrive to by clicking on this link. Use AI to create a unique logo. Here, make sure to create or to hit create yourself and not create with AI. For example, here, fill in your website name. For example, in my case, it's Ben's test site, so I will go with Ben's test site like this. You can add your slogan here, but personally, let's go for this video, let's go with a slogan. So I will get the help of ChatGPT for my website called Give Me Slogan Ideas. Build to experiment. I think build to experiment is good, so I will go with this slogan. Build to experiment. Now select the text font family that you from this very long list of text font. Let's click on random ones. Unfortunately, you can't distinguish between the text font for this font family called faster one. The selected text font is applied on both the title or the website name and also the slogan. You can also pick from those recommended font text fonts like this. As you see, you can preview it here on the side. I personally I prefer, or it's not preferred, but I like this text font. It looks this is a small or a narrow text. Let's go with the one I've liked. Where is it? I think this is it. No, it's not this. Where is it? Okay, let's give me a second. Where is this? Is it? Now click on this download button. The logo is compressed in this compressed file. The logo is downloaded in a compressed file. Click on it to decompress it. This is the logo and this is the favicon. Now click on replace image, upload, locate the logo like this and double click it. Once the new logo is uploaded, click on select on top of it, and just like that it will be started it will be used. As you see, it is small, so let's make it a little bit bigger, just like this. I think this is fine. Close this. Don't forget to update your website. Let's view my new logo live, and this is my new logo. As you see, this is how it looks like. I think I like this black text logo with this slogan on this white header. And this is how to upload and add a custom logo in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.